So friends, now we are going to plot rational numbers on the number line. I have taken three numbers. First 1, next 0.5, next 2 by 7. First we will check that these three are rational numbers or not. 1 is a rational number because we can express 1 as in the p by q format like this. This is in the p by q format and q not equal to 0. Q is not 0 here, it is 1 and 1 belongs to integers only. So it is a rational number. Next 0.5, we can express 0.5 as 5 by 10. So same way we have expressed 0.5 in p by q format and q is not equal to 0, it is 10 and 5 and 10 belongs to integers. Next 2 by 7 and it is already in p by q format and q is not 0, it is 7 and 2 and 7 belongs to integers. So we will start plotting numbers in the number line. So 1 is this point and 0.5 will be middle to 0, 0 and 1, then it will be here. 0.5 will be next 2 by 7. We have to represent 2 by 7 in decimal places. So we will get 2 by 7 as 0.285714. It will be going on repeatedly. It is recurring and non-terminating decimal. So we are going to now plot 2 by 7 in the number line. Just approximately because it is repeating, never ending. So we cannot represent 2 by 7 accurately, so we are going to just represent 2 by 7 approximately. So it is starting first with 0. So this decimal number will be in between 0 and 1. So now we are going to zoom this part a little bigger, so it will become like this. So first now we are going to find out where 0.2 will be. So 0.5 is this. So 0.2 will be, this will be 0.4, 0.3, 0.2. So it may be, it will be now this decimal place more accurately lies between 0.2 and 0.3. So we are going to resume it. So here we have just zoomed up 0.2 and 0.3. Between these numbers will be there. So now we are going to here 0.28. We are now going to find out 0.28. That is here, this point. And now we are going to zoom this part 0.28. In between part 0.28 to 0.29. So now we are going to plot 0.285. 0.285 will be this point. So now we are going to zoom in between distance at 0.285 and 0.286. So it will be like this. And now we are going to find 0.2857. So this is the point and we are going to zoom this distance, that is 0.2857 and 0.2858 in between distance. So it will be like this. Then here this is the point 0.28571. And we are going to zoom this in between distance. It will be like this, and we are finally arrived at 0.285714. So this is what we had, but it is approximate because it is going on like this. 285714, 285714, 285714. So we um, cannot plot this number actually. So we have just done it as approximately. So this is the procedure. So I know you all, I hope you all familiar with the plotting of rational numbers on the number line. So we'll next move on to denseness properties of rational number in next video. Thank you.